Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how I made this Pokemon card snow globe shaker with one of the molds we got in the Sophie and Toffee's February Elves box. So the first thing I did was I mixed up some UV resin with some orange and red pigment for the border. I will only be using this part of the mold, and according to the pamphlet that came in the box, this mold takes 50 grams of resin. Then I alternated between pouring the red and orange resin into the border, creating a fiery pattern. If you're interested in subscribing to the Elves box or checking out Sophie and Toffee's website, be sure to check out the description box where I have a couple of discounts for you. Once it was filled, I cured it using my 36-watt UV lamp for around 5 minutes. After the border had cured, I mixed up some more UV resin, this time dyeing it white, to create the back. This time around, curing took around 10 minutes because the color of the resin was a bit more opaque. After demolding the piece, I let it sit for another 5 minutes under my UV lamp just to ensure that it was fully cured. Then I drilled a hole so I could fill the shaker with oil and also glued my Pokemon card into the piece using UV resin. Be sure to comment down below which is your favorite Pokemon. My favorite are Pikachu and Togepi. Unfortunately, I didn't have any of those cards, so I used Vulpix's instead. Once the card was secured, I added my shaker bits. Then I remembered I had these cute Pokeball puffy stickers and decided to add them too. To give the Pokeball stickers a bit more weight so they would move around nicely in the shaker, I used some UV resin to glue a small jump ring to the back. Then I sealed my shaker with some shaker film and domed the front with more UV resin. All that was left to do was fill it with oil and seal the little hole. It's been a really long time since I've made a whole project just using UV resin, and I absolutely love the results even though I'm a bit rusty. My snow globe shaker did shrink a little, but that's normal when working with UV resin. And there you guys have it, my Pokemon card snow globe shaker. I can't wait to use this mold again, this time using epoxy resin. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss that video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!